Karshi, a historic city in southern Uzbekistan, is known for its vibrant markets, ancient monuments, and friendly local culture. Whether you are here for business, sightseeing, or simply passing through, the city offers comfortable accommodation options to suit different budgets. Here are the top 10 hotels in Karshi that provide great hospitality, convenience, and comfort for travelers. The first one is Sultan Hotel Karshi. Sultan Hotel is one of the most popular stays in Karshi, offering spacious modern rooms with all essential amenities. Guests enjoy complimentary breakfast, free Wi-Fi, and attentive service from the staff. The hotel has a restaurant serving both local and international dishes. Its central location makes it easy to access major attractions and business centers. The calm atmosphere ensures a relaxing stay. The second one is Grand Hotel Karshi. Grand Hotel offer a luxurious experience with elegant interiors and high quality furnishings. Rooms are equipped with air conditioning, mini bars, and flat screen TVs. Guests can enjoy a fitness center, conference facilities, and on site restaurant. Its prime location near shopping area and cultural site adds to its convenience. The staff is professional and quick to assist with any needs. The third one is Shortlik Palace Hotel. Shortlik Palace combines traditional Uzbek decor with modern comfort. The rooms are bright, clean, and well maintained, offering amenities like Wi Fi and private bathrooms. The hotel's restaurants are freshly prepared meals, and the lounge area is perfect for relaxing. Its location provides easy access to both the city center and the transport links. The fourth one is Karshi Plaza Hotel. Karshi Plaza Hotel is a mid-range option with spacious rooms and good facilities. Guests appreciate the buffet breakfast, attentive housekeeping, and free parking. The property features a cozy cafe and business center for work travelers. Its location near public transport makes exploring the city hassle-free. The friendly staff create welcoming environment. The fifth one is Orient Star Hotel Karshi. Orient Star Hotel provides clean, comfortable rooms with tasteful decor. Guests enjoy daily housekeeping, 24 hours reception, and a restaurant with a variety of dishes. The hotel's peaceful setting make it a great choice for both leisure and business travelers. Proximity to city landmarks adds to its appeal. The next one is Atlas Hotel Karshi. Atlas Hotel provides modern, well furnished rooms with all essential amenities for a pleasant stay. Guests enjoy a complimentary breakfast, free Wi Fi, and access to a small fitness area. The hotel also offers laundry service and airport transfers upon request. Its location is convenient for visiting local attractions. The next one is Karshi Hotel. Karshi Hotel is a quiet, friendly option offering simple yet comfortable rooms. The property includes a restaurant, free parking, and round the clock reception. Guests appreciate the cleanliness and clean environment. It's a great choice for travelers looking for affordable accommodations without compromising on quality. The next one is Meherban Hotel. Meherban Hotel is known for its homely atmosphere and helpful staff. Rooms are clean, air conditioned, and equipped with private bathrooms. Guests can enjoy fresh breakfast and easy access to nearby shops and cafes. The warm hospitality make it a favorite among repeat visitors. The second last is Zarafshan Hotel Karshi. Zarafshan Hotel offers spacious rooms with modern facilities at reasonable prices. The property features an in-house restaurant, meeting facilities, and free Wi-Fi. It's located close to both the city center and public transport, making it easy to get around. The staff are attentive and responsive to guest needs. The last one is Dusitlik Hotel. Dusitlik Hotel provides basic yet comfortable accommodations for travelers on a budget. Rooms are neatly maintained with all necessary essentials. Guests enjoy a friendly environment, complimentary breakfast, and a convenient location. It's ideal for short stays or quick stopovers in Karshi. Karshi offers a range of hotels from budget friendly stays to luxurious options, each with its own charm and amenities. Whether you are here for work, culture, or relaxation, these top 10 picks ensure a comfortable and welcoming experience in this vibrant Uzbek city.